Do you know that these are some of the popular reasons why your Google Ads account can be suspended, including circumventing system, deceptive practices, counterfeit malicious software, egregious violation, unauthorized pharmacies, unacceptable business practice policies, trade sanctions violations, sexually explicit content, child sexual abuse and exploitation, and misrepresentation, unpaid balance, suspicious payment are few of the reasons why your Google Ads account can be suspended. But right now, I'm here with an amazing case study for the account which was suspended for circumventing system. This is an other successful Google Ads suspension restoration case study which me and my team did. For those who don't know, we have been helping clients with Google Ads management, Google Ads suspensions, and here the account was suspended for circumventing system. And even in the circumventing system, there can be cloaking, there can be multiple account abuse, advertiser verification, or other reasons why your Google Ads account is suspended for circumventing system. However, circumventing system is one of the very difficult suspensions where the Google feels that you are interfering or deceptive in their system or bypassing their system. So right now I'm here. This is the website, and I'm going to show you step by step on how we were able to restore. And in the end, we will offer you that in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup management, or if your Google Ads account is suspended, or if your Google Ads are disapproved, how me and my team can help you for the approval. So let's get started with the first of all see the suspension first, and then gonna discuss more. Okay, so this is the account suspension which we got, and you see around over here that the account was suspended for circumventing system, and the clocking error was over there. And another is you can see account is suspended, although they filed the appeal but it was rejected. And you can see account is suspended, and this was the communication being done with the Google Ads team, where they said that your account was suspended for violating circumventing system, clocking policy. See around over here, repeated or egregious violation over here. So clocking isn't allowed into the circumventing system, but other reasons can be over there as well. Sometimes it's a genuine mistake from the Google end, because Google is using AI, so the mistake can be over there. And sometimes it's natural. People do not know that they are doing mistakes in their ad copy, their website have issues or errors. Even though whenever an account gets suspended, we need to do a thorough review, thorough audit of the account to find inner insights why your Google Ads account gets suspended. So which is why me and my team did essential reviews of the client issue to figure out why the account is being stuck. So I'm going to show you now step by step and a few of the strategies which me and my team did for the approval. So I'm going to show you few of the audits. Okay, there were multiple audits being done, and this is one such audit where you can see the website was being reviewed, date of review, card check. What we do is we look for the website, we look for the search console, we look for the small links, the form is working, the contact us page is fine, any issues on social media, the phone number is working, the email address is fine. We even do the sample emailing. Sometimes we look on the privacy policy page, anything contradict or conflict with other pages. Sometimes the email addresses, multiple email addresses are being used for the people. Sometimes some thing is missing which is causing the suspension. So after doing this, we all do multiple audits, see around over here to small things, page to page by page, checking inner sites, checking to see where the error is, any address error or any other. We also look for the reviews, we also look for the coding. Sometimes it's a coding error on the website, sometimes it's words, it's commitments. You can see around over here some word changes, some more changes were being also suggested over here. After this, see around over here, there was an implementation done by the team to see around the changes being done over here. So you can see around over here, the page shows let's work, share some basic information. See around over here, some things were being sorted around, some grammar error was over there, the map page was not working, it was resorted. See, the links were not working, disclaimer was being also added over here, pricing was also being corrected over here, some small pages, small things over here, some small changes being done over here. And after this, this was another cross verification done by another team member to see all the things are being implemented. So you can see the full address is visible, legal policy page is visible through public navigation, service pricing is available before inquiry, duplicate open menu, repeated CTAs, everything was being sorted around strong outcome, all pages. And then after this, Google Search Console was done because the cloaking error was over there. So Google Search Console was being updated so that the Google crawler can do the fresh crawler so that the account does not remain suspended for circumventing system or clocking or for any other reason. After this, my team did a manual appeal over here, discussed regarding this over here that what need to be provided. Selection was done, plus phone call was done to the Google support regarding to prioritize this. As a Google partner, we have a dedicated chat and dedicated manager support, so we use that to get the account being out of the suspension of clocking and circumventing system. And then we, after this, this took us a time. I'm seeing you 15 minutes, but in reality, it took us a lot of time for my client and for us. And after this, you may see around over here, hi advertiser. You see around over here, you see this ID over here, 360 over here. Now see over here, 360. You can verify this and this. Thanks for waiting while your account was reviewed. As long as there are no other violations, your ad should resume within 24 hours. If your account is still suspended, you can see over here the account circumventing system clocking is successful over here. So the account is no more suspended in clocking or circumventing system. So you can see around over here none of the ads are running, and another over here we can see you can verify this customer ID as well. Your account suspension appeal is successful for circumventing system clocking suspension was successful over here. So you can see the account is now finally approved. But I'm glad with another thing, and the client shared the review, so I'm going to share the review on our Trustpilot as well. So now you can see the review as well. They helped me get my account back. After months of trying to figure out on my own and multiple failed appeals. These guys knew exactly what they were doing and gave me specific instructions to follow, which worked. Very thankful and highly recommended to anyone having trouble with a suspended ads account. So yeah, if anyone had trouble with a suspended Google Ads account, suspended Google Ads, Google Business Profile account, suspended Google Merge Center account, or your Google Ads are disapproved, or if you need Google Ads management, or if you need website development, we should be your full-fledged company. And here I'm here with another successful case study for the Google Ads account, which was suspended for circumventing system and clocking. And finally the client is very happy and they gave us a positive review. The account is no more suspended and the account is finally running after months of trying by the client himself, and then they hired us. So yeah, this is another successful case study. Glad and credit appreciation to my team who made it successful. So yeah, in case if your Google Ads account is suspended, if you need help with web development, if you need help with Google Ads or Meta Ads, PPC management, we should be your first preference. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Our company name is aarswebs.com and my name is Ali Raza. And yeah, it's a teamwork. So yeah, thank you for watching and we look forward to working with you. Take care and bye-bye.